We have many airdrops to talk about and many updates in this video, so make sure to stick until the end, and some of them also to go and claim. And we jump straight onto the laptop, and we did talk this morning about the grass airdrop. And if you've seen until the end, you know my opinion whether or not the airdrop is happening or not, but go and check that video out. The Epoch 4, so the one that we are in currently, is gonna end tomorrow. So we are still having a 1 month epoch, as we see over here. The number 4 is gonna end tomorrow. So make sure to go and get your tokens. And if you're not in it yet, make sure to join the grass airdrop, as it is very important that you go and do participate, because the rewards are gonna be incredibly high. Next up, very important, this one super important, from Uniswap X Zora, a new NFT just dropped. As you see here, only 2 hours and 20 minutes ago, you got 7 days to go and mint it. It cost 0.0007 ETH. Make sure to go and mint it just like I'm doing, and make sure to go and collect it, because it is a very important NFT, both for a Uniswap potential drop as well as the Uniswap and the Zora NFT, which is super important that we go and collect every single Zora official NFT, especially the collaboration one. And this one is celebrating the 5-year anniversary of Unisocks from the Uniswap Inter official page over here. So go and get it. Very, very important. Mint it, mint 1, mint 2, mint as many as you want. The more you mint, the more possibility you have to go and be eligible for the airdrop, as well for participating in the Zora airdrop itself with the most NFTs. Next up, a little update on Zero Land. Now, I know, let me land and let me tell you something that you probably hated on Zero Land airdrop, and you probably hated how the reward system happened. Well, there have been uploaded 450,000 wallets on the claim side. So if you had a problem before, double check now, because Zero Land came to the rescue. It seems that previously the cutoff for the snapshot was at least 20,000 early zero, which means if you didn't have 20,000 early 0 points, you were not able to go and get your airdrop. Now that one has been gone one-to-one with one early 0 airdrop request only, that we are honoring the one-to-one early 0 commitment. So a little bit of an update, and it's doing the right thing to the community. Thankful for the honest feedback. They probably heard that it was quite bad. And we see here how ByBit that disappear from the Zero Land, that they analyzed the wallet, and apparently there seems to be like, there were drained by fishers, and there were some hack scammers impersonating Zero Land and using scam links, so potentially some people could have fell for it. This one is the official landing page for the Zero Land itself, as we see over here. And then you can go and check also the comments. I see I've had a whole bunch of early 0 point on my wallet on ZK-Sync. How can I change it to the 0 token? That you must have received it on Linea. So that's why also another update. But I will leave you the official tweet, and then you go and check the comment, do your due diligence. Make sure that you're clicking only the official Zero Land page protocol over here if you want to go and double check your claim for the airdrop, which is very, very important. Following up, we got the claiming of the number 1 of this video. The Monday airdrop claim is now live. You are eligible. Everybody with the DAI token, the Dimension token stakers, congratulations. You got yourself another airdrop, which is very, very nice. The claim is live for 31 days, so also this one is pretty time sensitive, and make sure to go and do it as soon as possible. Know that your airdrop allocation may increase depending on the percentage of address that make a claim, meaning that if at the end of it there's less airdrop or less wallets which claim the airdrop, your allocation will be probably double or triple if people forget to claim. So I'm reminding you, do not go and miss out. A lot of people received, were mostly within the 5 to 15, 20 MAND tokens, so not like 200 or 2000, which could potentially suggest that the price will be going to the $10, $5, $10 mark. But let me know your prediction down in the comments below. What price action do you think is going to happen with the Zero Land airdrop as well? Following up, we got the Notcoin on Binance. Many news, and Notcoin, we did mint it, we did farm it. It was a free airdrop that you did receive by doing what? Simply by tapping on your phone and playing a video game over on Telegram. We did cover it. If you did all of the tasks, if you collected enough points, you are able to go and claim it very, very soon. It is going to be on the Binance Launchpad. It is going to be live also on ByBit if you want to sign up to ByBit to then sell your token allocation immediately. The link is down below. Otherwise, all the other platforms have it. Binance, KuCoin, OKX, all of them will have the Notcoin listing, and Binance also have the incubator or the launch pool, which is super bullish in my opinion. and it is very good to go and see another airdrop that will come in our pockets. Talking about airdrop, we got the number 2 airdrop of the video, the number 2 that you can claim, and this is the Saga airdrop. So also Saga has gone live, and these days, this month, May, is popping off really good because the Vault 1 is ready for claiming, which you are able to go and have more than 101 Saga. Those were the requirements to be eligible for this Vault airdrop, to have more than 101 Saga token and stake over 95% of your Genesis airdrop. I personally didn't receive any Genesis airdrop, nor I did go and purchase Saga to then go and stake it, so I'm not eligible for this. But let me know your token allocation down below. And we got over here the Saga Vault, which you have the possibility to go and claim it, as we see here from this website, which you will find down below. It's or and, not and, to be eligible. So it is both of them. So one of these two criteria, not both of them, as it seems here. Here, this guy have 20 tokens to claim. This one got 19. So people did receive 450 first and 250 with the Vault 1. So the more you do, the more airdrop token allocation you do receive. And let me know your allocation down in the comments below. Following up, a very important update for our Jupiter farmers, and myself included, that they have excited to share 2 key improvements on the Jupiter Perpetual. Number 1 is building the Oracle updates and position request, and the number 2 is returning collateral and expired order. So many updates which are gonna take part for the Jupiter airdrop, which we are farming rigorously, we are farming daily, we are creating transactions daily. And how to farm this airdrop, many people ask me all the time. Well, create a lot of swaps over here to create volume. The more you do it, the better it is. The airdrop will be on January 2025. Most likely that's the date for the airdrop, just like the previous one. Go and create some limit orders. Make sure to go and utilize all of the functions. Dollar cost averaging, the bridging, which we are already earning with the bridge over on the other protocol, if you're still farming it. And if you are, make sure to go and do it. And very important, make sure to be part of the perpetual trading. Now, do not open any crazy position if you're not good at trading, but perpetual trading is simply longing and shorting a protocol, which is super important. You can utilize 0.1 Solana and long it for 1.1x or short it for 1.1x. So you have minimal risk. As you see over here, if I long a Solana now at 1.1x, my liquidation price is $13. So this is one way. For example, instead of investing long-term, you're investing long-term as well, like you're still holding Solana, but with a 0.1% kind of risk involved into it. But make sure to do your due diligence. This is very simple, and potentially the easiest way to do the perpetual trading is this one, longing a very little amount of it. Next up, we got the Calp DAO update, and this is to introduce the Mega Million Marathon. And what are we talking about? Well, there is a whopping $1 million+ in reward pool across 5 categories: USDC rewards, Arbitrum rewards, OP rewards, SD rewards, and Eigenlayer points. To be eligible for this, for the $1 million+ giveaway that they've got going on, restake with Kelp from May 7, so from today you're already able to do it, until May 21st and get your share. So simply restake your token over on the Kelp DAO. I will leave you this link down below so that you can also go and check it for yourself. But it does look like a very nice prospect to go and be part of. Following up, we got an update over on the Starknet.id, which they did partner with a Solana-based protocol, the Bonfida over here, and you are able to go and farm. We have our .stark ID, which we did farm a month ago, one of the first things that we did go and farm. You can now have 1 week to register your free .starkit.sol domain, which could be eligible or could make you eligible for airdrop in the future, Starknet airdrop in the future. And as we see over here, you gotta connect your wallet, as we see from the Stark ID to the Solana ID, connect the Starknet wallet, and claim your free Stark.sol Solana domain, which is very important. And you know, nothing over here super crazy. The most important things to go and mint, in my opinion, is the Uniswap socks over here. This airdrop, this Zora NFT, very important to go and farm and mint before the rest of the airdrops that we have seen today. But with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below your thoughts, and I will be following up tomorrow with 2 new updates. So make sure to turn on the notification bell and subscribe. And tomorrow we're going to be looking at potentially the bridge airdrop, which is going to be one of the best and most underfarmed airdrop in my opinion, because a lot of people are not doing it and there's only X amount of people doing it. And if I was able to get 2 wallets within the top 1000, which yes, it is mostly about spending fees. The more fees you spend, the more airdrop allocation you receive. This is how this airdrop works, but make sure to go and do it because it is one of the best. Do not forget to mint your Zora NFTs because we are gonna be having a very nice and juicy airdrop with Zora itself. I am a strong believer that Zora could be the best, one of the best airdrop of 2024. Zora and D-Bridge are there, and Jupiter Season 2, in my opinion, is gonna cook because people probably are forgetting a little bit to utilize it in the right way. So make sure to do all of that. With that said, thank you for watching, guys, and I see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.